Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a no makeup first impression. Some of it is new, some of it is not, but it's new to me because I never used it before. And some of them I got my MC glam back. I did my eyebrows off camera and I primed my eyelids. And now I'm gonna take this Profusion Neon Festival Yellow Fusion eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this shade and put it in my crease as a transition shade. I like this eyeshadow palette. It's no different than the other eyeshadow palettes that I got. It blend like any other eyeshadows. It's a nice eyeshadow palette to have and it's really pigmented. You just have to use the right eyeshadow brushes. And this was $5 plus tax at Walmart. They had like a display of other neon stuff at Walmart. You can find it at Walmart or on the Profusion website. It's like a regular eyeshadow palette with good pigment. I actually bought 2 of these eyeshadow palettes and I got the Yellow Fusion and the Banging Pinks. Now I'm gonna use this eyeliner bag and I actually kind of messed up on my eyeliner on my left eye. You can't really notice it. Now I'm gonna try and put on these lashes and I got them from the beauty supply store. It was difficult trying to put these on. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't put on enough glue. That's probably the reason why, because before I tried to put on lashes before and I did it. This time I couldn't do it, so I just said forget it. And yeah. To prime my face, I used the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Now I'm finna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Dewy Foundation, and it's in the shade Fair Porcelain, I think. Right side, I'm using a beauty blender, and on the left side, I'm using a brush. On the beauty blender side, I feel like it didn't give that much full coverage because the beauty blender soaks up the product, so it was like medium coverage. On the left side, I'm using a brush. There's a difference, and I do like the brush side better than the beauty blender side. It seems like the brush gives more full coverage than the beauty blender because it's more dense than a beauty blender. Now I'm using the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I do like this concealer, it's okay. I like the applicator of it and it blended out smoothly. I will have all the prices of every drugstore item used in the description or in the comment section, so make sure you guys check that out. Now I'm using this Ofra Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Americano, I think. And I got this in my MC glam pack. It does have some shimmer in it, but it's nice. Now I'm gonna use this highlighter that I got in my FC bag, and I don't like this highlighter. It barely shows up on my face. It's like a rose gold, but it's dark. If you guys made it this far to the end of the video, let me know if you ever tried any of these items or you want to try them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.